Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yash Patel, and today I'm going to start a new series for Java programming. So let's slay Java. Let's go. Okay, so very first topic is what is Java? Now, so Java is basically a language or a code that run independently. Now what it means we have to write a Java code once only, and then we can execute it on every machine or any device like phone, mobile or watch, anywhere, or even browser. Just one condition, that the particular device has to have installed JVM in it, right? So that is the one condition, or that's it. Okay, now uh, Java is very simple. It's object oriented and familiar. Java is the most secure and robust language in industry, and that is why most most in that is why Java is very popular in industry, right? It's portable, as I say, that we have to write just code once only, and then it can run anywhere. So that is why it's portable, high performance, and it's interpreted, threaded, and dynamic. Now what is interpreted means it converts our code into binary. That is why it's very secure language. Threaded, I will be guided you in upcoming videos. And dynamic means we can get user inputs, we can update our variables, methods. So Java is time dynamic language. Okay, now next, runtime environment. What is the runtime architecture of Java? So in our machine, first there is operating system. After that we have Java virtual machine. As I told earlier, that in any machine we want to run Java, the machine has to have installed Java virtual machine. Then the core runtime, I mean runtime and additional libraries for Java, and then above all of three layers we have our compiled code, right? So Java is interpreted language. What it will do, first Java will convert our code into bytecode, not in machine language. First Java will convert our code into bytecode. Bytecode means 10011, that, and then it will run our code via JVM, right? Okay, next. Okay, now there are basically three editions of Java. SE means standard edition, EE means enterprise edition means any company or any software or any industry that want to develop a web application or mobile application will use EE edition, whereas ME means micro edition if we want to develop microcontrollers, sensors, or even mobile devices. Now best example for ME is SIM card, which is coded by the ME edition of Java, right? Okay, now to write the Java, there is basic syntax and compilation that we will see. Now before going on a syntax, first there are some rules for, I mean, all codes are defined in classes. Every file and every code has to have in classes. Classes means our Java code will be saved by .java, means extension for our file is .java. Now javac command will compile our code into bytecode, and Java command will run the code, run our bytecode, right? Now these two commands are not going to we are not going to use this command, because we will be using IDEs for Java, uh, that we will discuss in further part of the video. Now let's see. Yeah, okay, so this is the main.java file, means the name of my file is main and the extension is .java. Now package means packages is considered as the domain name of the web page or any criteria that we want to develop. Now this always refers in reverse direction, means if my domain name is slaythecode.com, then the package name will be com.slaythecode. As what it this means, that this refers to the domain name of example.com, right? Now classes, as we see earlier, every code is defined in a class. Now to define class, we will use public, class and main. Class, to define class, and public means this main class will be executed or it will be accessible for every code or every code, right? Now main. Now also one more thing, that when we are creating a class, the name of the class is always capital, right? Now the code will be always executed via main method, right? So method means this main, and the main method always comes with three keywords: public, static and void. Public means this main method is accessible by everyone in by every class. Static means this code is shareable within this class, and void means within this method this code will not return any value, right? And main method is always contains string arguments, string with arrays and arguments. Now this is executable code, means system.out.println means and hello world, means what this line will do, that it will print hello world into our terminal, right? So this is the simplest Java's syntax, means it has to have class, main and the executable code, right? Okay, now Java is case sensitive, means all identifiers must be unique with their scope. These are the identifiers, means the first name with small letter, first name with camel case and first name with capital S will be accessible, or means these three will be considered as three different either variable name, either class name, or either identifiers or variables or methods, right? So that is why because it's case sensitive, these three will refer as three different names of identifiers, right? Okay, now how can we okay, so by default keywords and identifiers. Now uh, first, class, method, fields and other names are identifiers, and identifier must start with alphabet character or underscore, means we cannot give our name of class, method, field or another name with numbers or special character. It must start with character or underscore. Okay, now how can we find these keywords? Okay, so these are the keywords, and here's the link that I will pin down in the description area. So these are the basic keywords or identifiers that are predefined by the Java or developer of the Java. If we use we use these keywords, we might have some problem or compiler error when we run the code. Okay, so avoid these names when we use identifiers or name. Okay. Okay, now identifiers. Now when we create a class, the class name has to must the name of class always start with capital M, I mean capital letter. Then we can give any. The name of method or variable will always start from lowercase. As you can see, void do something. Now do something is method and it is start from small letter and then camel case. And here the variable with this is also lowercase and then camel case. And all the static I mean final or I mean constant variable will always start with the I mean it will be always the uppercase. Now what it means by the constant means we cannot change the value of the first name, means final. In Java we use there is no such word as constant, but instead of constant we use final to fix the value of the first name. Okay, now we can give different names to as we want. I mean I can start the class name from uh, lowercase. I can start method name or variable name from uh, I mean all capital, and I can give, no I cannot give this, but this I can start from anywhere, but it is not mandatory, or it is not what we say, uh, not professional. Yes, it's not professional, because when another Java developer will review your code, he will not be able to understand what is class and what is variable or what is method. That is why we has to follow these rules: class with capital letter, methods and variables with small letter, and constant with capital letter. Okay, now best IDs, as I told earlier, that we will use different IDs for to run our Java or practicing Java. Now there are different IDs for Windows and Mac as well, but these are the best cross platform which is also used in Mac, and also it will run on the Windows, right? So NetBeans, Eclipse and IntelliJ, these two, the NetBeans is uh, best for Java, and it also supports PHP or any other languages. Eclipse is specially designed for Java, and IntelliJ is also designed for Java, but the only difference is IntelliJ is mostly very much compatible if we want to develop mobile application or Android application, especially Android application. So in this tutorial or in this uh, series we will be using Eclipse for our entire series. Now thank you, that was all from me. If you guys have any doubt, please comment down, and if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you guys in next video. Till then, slay your code with Yasss.slay. Bye bye, take care.